Want to get rid of excess files and apps in your Mac that piled up with years of use, or you want to sell it away but worried about your data's security? The simplest solution for this would be to format your Mac clean. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean up your Mac and start over from a clean slate, leaving all your space-hogging files, apps, and other useless data behind. However, before doing this, make sure you back up your data as you don't lose anything important. Let's get started. We begin by restarting the Mac. When you see the Apple logo, hold down Command and R key. This will bring up the macOS Utilities dialog box. Here, select this utility, and then select Macintosh HD on the left sidebar. Click Erase on the top bar, and then click Erase again to confirm. But before you do that, I want to remind you again that clicking Erase button will wipe out everything on your hard disk, so make sure you have already backed up all your important data. After the erasing is done, go ahead and close this utility. Back on macOS Utilities screen, this time select Reinstall macOS and follow the instructions. It will guide you through the entire installation and setting up process for your Mac operating system. The whole process will take about 15-20 minutes. Once this is done, you will have a clean new Mac operating system. If you find this useful, give the video a thumbs up, share it, or subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.